Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore how to link a subscriber Google Sheet to MailerLite. If you're new to MailerLite, don't miss the free trial link in the description below. And if you already have an account, simply log in and follow along. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account to connect MailerLite with Google Sheets. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, click Create, then select Zaps. If you ever need a hand, the Copilot feature is there to guide you. Now, choose both MailerLite and Google Sheets from the available options and fill in the required details on the right side of the screen. To link your MailerLite account, click Sign In, log into your MailerLite account, and repeat the same step to sign in to your Google Sheets account. Once both are connected, configure your settings and click Publish, and that's it. Hopefully this video helps you get everything linked smoothly. Thanks for watching.